All right, hello, this is Dave, and welcome to the Success Playbook, where we give you the edge that you need to succeed. All right, let's get into it. Let's share and show. So, in this video, I wanted to talk about cleaning up in sales and really what's the benefit of doing that. Nobody really wants to have to, but it is something that's pretty important. And what prompted me here is that a week ago, I got a new laptop, a new computer, and yeah, a nightmare. I'm carrying around two laptops for the last week. I've got passwords archived that I've forgotten. I've got favorite links archived. I'm not even sure why. Legacy files on one, but not the other. Just really, really annoying. So this situation forced me to pause and really just clean up. And I wanted to share from a sales perspective how vital it is to stay current, to be clean in your processes, and really to declutter, and just looking to free up not just time, but also mind share as well. So I've got three areas I want to talk about. One is internal, and that's you. And then two would be external, and that's looking at the customer and also looking at your brand. So when it comes to you, are you keeping current? Are you reading industry blogs? Are you looking to get certified or maintain your certifications or continuing education? If you've got some apps that you use, OneNote is pretty common. I happen to use Evernote. Are you a pack rat? Go through the actual notebook there and look to see how you have things archived. If it's something that you're like, why did I do this? Get rid of it. It's just not there for you. It was there for you, but it's not there for you right now. And the benefit of this is you always want to maximize your ability to sell. All right. The second area is going to be more external, thinking about the customer again. And again, are you keeping current? Are you clean, with your understanding and knowledge of the customer's 10K reports and their announcements? What's the last conversation you had with this customer? And what is one differentiator, one event or activity that you've done with the customer that really, as they say, moves the needle and is worth your time? And again, why are we talking about this in the customer? Top of mind awareness. And let's face it, if the customer is sitting with you, talking with you, working with you, they're not sitting, talking, and working with someone else. So top of mind is very important. And the last here, and again, there's more, I just happen to pick these three, and this is external, and it's really about your brand. And another word for brand is your image and how you present yourself. Take a look at your go-to-market messaging for the last 6 months for any particular customer or just in general. Do you like it? Are you proud of it? Is it embarrassing? Could it be better or different? And just remember, in sales, it really is, there you go, bold statement. It's just about networking, because especially in tech, things are rough. Organizations are common and current, and you might be working at company A today, but you're going to be working at company B tomorrow. So you have to maintain a clean brand and an image within your industry. And I'll leave you with that. As always, if there's just one person that I can help with this video, very, very appreciative. And if you've made it this far, remember that we mix a strategy of ARM, that's authenticity, relationship, and mindset, into everyday areas like sales, tech, finance, and real estate. And if you like what we're doing, feel free to subscribe, put a like, always add a comment, but polite and professional, please. And feel free to share this link with a friend. I'll speak with you soon.